Good evening children, this is Shilpa here. We shall conclude the remaining part of the story, The Tale of Benjamin Bunny. All of you open page 7 in our English textbook. Little Benjamin was walking ahead of Peter when he suddenly stopped in fright. Fright means children afraid, to fear. A large cat was sitting right there. They quickly hid themselves under a large basket. The cat, which had been looking the other way, now got up, stretched herself, and came and sniffed at the basket. Perhaps she liked the smell of onions, because she sat down on top of the basket. Little Benjamin and Peter started crying. See the next paragraph. The cat sat there for a long time. As evening came, there was a pitter-patter, and some bits of mortar fell from the wall above. Mortar means a mixture of sand, cement and water used to join bricks or stones together. So, the cat looked up and saw old Mr. Benjamin Bunny, little Benjamin's father, prancing along the top of the wall. Prancing means children moving with high steps. He had come to look for his son and heard the little bunnies crying softly. See children, what happened in this? Now what happened in these paragraphs children? I'll explain with the help of pictures. See here, little Benjamin and Peter started walking with heavy luggage to go outside. For that, they chose another way. Suddenly, they stopped with fright. Fright means children afraid, to fear. Why? Because they are afraid. A large cat was sitting there. Then quickly, they hid themselves under a large basket. See children here, the cat sat on the top of the basket. Why? Because the cat smelled the onions and liked it very much. Now, both Benjamin and Peter started crying. Why? Because those are in the basket only. That's why. Both Benjamin and Peter started crying, thinking how to escape from the cat. Coming back to the textbook session, page number 7, continue the story. Suddenly, old Mr. Bunny jumped off the wall and onto the cat. He flung the cat into the garden house. Flung means jumped children. And locked the door. Garden house means a small building in a garden. The cat was too surprised to scratch him. Old Mr. Bunny came back to the basket and pulled out little Benjamin and Peter by the ears. Then he took out a handkerchief full of onions as well as the flowers and marched the naughty bunnies out of the garden. When Peter got home, he gave his mother the onions and the flowers. She was very pleased with the wonderful gifts that he brought her. She did not even scold him for being a naughty bunny, because she was so happy that he had found his shoes and coat. He started, bits of mortar fell from the wall above. The cat saw Mr. Benjamin, little Benjamin's father. Who is he? Little Benjamin's father, moving with high steps on the wall, and he heard the little bunnies crying. Then old Mr. Bunny jumped off the wall and see here. Threw the cat into the garden's house and locked. The cat tried to scratch him, but old Mr. Bunny came fastly and took out the basket. Then Peter and little Benjamin Bunny come out of the children here. Little Benjamin Bunny and Peter finally come out of the garden with their luggage. Okay, finally they reached the home and gave the present to his mother. She was very happy with that gift and did not scold him for being naughty, because she was happy that he had found his shoes and coat. So children, moral of the story is, rules are made to protect us by those who love us. We must follow them for our own good. That means rules are made to protect us by those who love us. So children, please obey them. That's all for today's session, children. Thank you everyone.